Ya, kita udah mau gimbal.
Iya, karena saya kira sudah berat sekali tasku nah. Ternyata masih ringan.
Cuma 7 kilo ya.
Iya, baru 5 kilo.
7 kilo.
Can you take it home with you? Will you be able to take it home, the gimbal, if I get you one?
Apa dia bilang?
Kalau misalnya dia dibeliin gimbal, Om bisa bawa pulang nggak?
Oh, bisa.
Ya,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You need to get a new SIM card.
Your SIM card, yeah.
Because otherwise,
hasn't got his SIM card.
you should do that tomorrow.
Nanti bisa berlima.
Because then you can live stream.
Oh, belum ada.
If you do
Pakai
that,
apakah itu? Pakai kartu
Namanya
ID card?
Optus. Oh, pakai paspor.
Pakai paspor. Oh, iya.
SIM saja, nggak usah beli kartu.
Iya, kalau bisa isi bisa.
Bisa isim.
because if you do it tomorrow, then you can stream at Acme at the screening.
Iya.
But otherwise, you won't be able to because it won't have any
Harus di
data.
live stream.
Mm-mm.
Nanti pas
Iya.
Because I feel like even I turn on my hotspot, like both of the phone will like not get too much.
Ah, baru hidup ya guys. Wah, dia belum pun. Saya sudah mau kedinginan. Sekarang sudah jam
Nggak make to be tethering deh. Datanya. Kayak nggak
sudah setengah 8 ini masih
sampai jam 9 ini Om. Masih terang.
masih terang.
udah jam 9.
Enggak, setengah 8.
Baru setengah 8.
Baru masuk.
Itu baru setengah 8. Lebih dingin sekali ini juga. Gimana kita jemur-jemur?
Like greyhounds, just like yawning about like
Nah. Foto. Where is your home here, Pedi?
Kalau ada jaketnya.
Huh?
He lives near me.
Oh. You stay with Just?
No, but he's nearby.
Oh, neither.
Near.
Not near you.
Same suburb. Brunswick.
Yeah.
That's where we live.
Cold.
It's cold, right?
Boleh minta jaketnya.
Sini dingin. Lo raka dulu.
Kalau mau ambil ada di
Good day, guys. Oh, damn!
Whoa, what's that?
Yeah, what's up? Whoa,
What's that?
I believe it's in L4. Oh. Yeah, good defense guy, blocking him out. I believe he's going to go for it. Oh! Alright, Kyle, let's play now.
Oh, dingin sih.
and the 8 to Adelaide.
And then you fly from there,
Yeah, we're trying to
put it on the day.
7.
Ah, kita bikin api dulu. Kita minta darang.
It's
Two
the 8.
nights.
The 8 flying from Sydney to Adelaide.
Okay, so
Yeah, so 3 days in Sydney and 2 days in Adelaide.
How cold now? Hey, Pedi. How cold now?
Oh, a little bit.
Little bit.
Not much, but a little bit.
Maybe 20 degrees Celsius.
18 maybe,
18.
something like that.
Hmm.
Do you do Celsius or Fahrenheit?
Yeah.
In Indonesia, is it Celsius or
Celsius.
Fahrenheit?
Celsius.
It's 19.
19. 19 derajat. Weh. Saya sudah tidak mampu 19 bisa berjemur.
It has no like.
Oh, pantasan orang di sini kalau ada matahari pergi berjemur ternyata dingin itu boleh.
Yeah, on the 8th from Sydney on 9:30 a.m.
9:30 a.m.
Yeah, Sydney
On the 8th.
on the 8th.
No, I'm arriving at 11
Oke, salam sama cewek-cewek bule antik. Nah, salam sama cewek bule ya. Weh, bule cewek bule antik.
So it's
You're arriving on the 7th and I'm getting a 6 hour flight. Currently, but I feel so good.
besok.
And it's still a little left. Dari sini semua. Soalnya salsa ke sini malah sini nggak bisa. Karena kayak dia di ujung beruk jadi.
Saya buka India saja kak. Oh, anu 13 tanggal 13 ngampit pulang. Oke, Sierra. Tanggal 13 ngampit pulang.
Oh, your friend's coming too.
Dan ya swallow ini itu. Ini sandal aneh ya. Sandal anti tapi dia.
Oh yeah, you're making a film about Yowie? Yeah. So
I was just doing research. It's another.
Buat edit iya.
Yeah. I'll see how I go.
what was like the genesis of the idea?
Oke, salam sama Chris Sampit. Oke. Oke, ini.
And I spent like a year just kind of researching.
Halim, jarak hujan di sini Ompit. Oh, jarak hujan situ. Di sini ada hujan tapi anginnya luar biasa ini ya. Terlalu dingin.
Just struggling to figure out
2 hari yang lalu katanya anginnya terlalu panas sampai 40 derajat. Jadi kayak open.
a Yeti did. And I was like,
Aduh. Tak tahan aku di sini guys. Nanti mau mati-mati juga nanti. Mana 19 derajat na.
yes.
Ayun do handa sa. Parang tinggal ada uang itu. Langsung lewat ke hari terakhir Chris. Iya langsung kayak bulan 6 bulan 7. Katanya mau tinggal 6 bulan lagi di tapi kayak di Makassar. Dan sekali ke Toraja. Oh.
Yeah. Go. Okay.
Oke, ya.
One more point. That's why. Are you ready? Defending?
Cantik sandal Chris. Oh itu tak Chris. Ini namanya Chris ini ya. Oh, ya. Masa petuang kira lu banuan dulu tak.
Oh,
Ari,
big
boleh.
fire. Good defense. I keep dribbling.
Ini Ompit. Main basket Ompit. Iya, tapi saya basket lah. Asik-asik saing.
Find a place, Fraser. Yes.
Dingin mana Ompit Toraja terus terakhir terlalu bikin deh.
Sink up.
Jadi ini karena katanya es krim di sini lah. Kadang panas, kadang tiba-tiba dingin. Oke, terus Ratu Selatan di mana di mana ini di Australia di Melbourne.
Yes.
Ntar di hidup ya.
Get in. Well, keep running.
Terus kira-kira itu kita teman-teman lah. Dulu ke lori-lorin deh. Tapi dibantu Miran. Ini sudah hampir jam 8 tapi masih terang sekali. Akhirnya lantai 2 tadi mintian lo doh. Pas pada tutup boleh kan no pure mintian lo. Karena bodi ni pure dulu. Ya.
Main juga.
Saya dingin sekali. Ya. Kalau
Sedikit sekali.
dingin.
Dingin.
Sangat dingin.
Oke.
Oke, kalau pulang jangan lupa bawa oleh-oleh. Oke, Mariana Rombe. Ya.
Basketball membuat panas.
Ya, basket membuat panas. Anjing na ini. Dari sana teh. Siapa lagi namanya nanti? Poppy. Oh, biar merampak. Oke, dan dulu dia paling Wayu. Iya. Wayu di sini karena
Besok kita ada acara ya guys.
iya, besok kita ada acara. Besok diputar film tak? Liswa mau makan kahar bisa tin ayam ke motor modal kita nah.
Yeah. How are you feeling about it, right?
Oke, halo Chris. Oh,
How are you
Nober.
Tips,
Nober merampak. Coba.
all the question.
Oh yeah. I mean, we have the whole day. Tomorrow.
Menyelesaikan kayaknya. Iya, Wai sudah menyelesaikan ini. Sudah tidak dingin dia.
Everyone will edit some stage.
Good.
Yeah, I'm on next.
Bye. Ya, play basket. Ya, supaya tidak dingin.
Nggak dulu.
Nah,
Nggak dulu.
yang itu ceweknya Christine deh.
Apa?
Ya. Dia seorang pengacara. Ya, ini. Oke, mana bolanya? Mana bola? Where is the ball?
Monetize it. Like, I bet, well, it's too late now. You'd be like, I bet you $5 if you wouldn't play.
Siapa yang menang kira-kira guys?
Oke, kita coba. Oke, who's the win?
Basketball.
Wait, hey.
Oke.
Kaya. Kaya. You ready?
Saya. Ini kalau di Toraja namanya ini Yaya. In Toraja you should call Yaya. Nama Kaya.
Okay, you and me. You start this ball. Okay, so you have to cross this line.
Tunggu mo.
No, that's how we play box.
So sorry, can you tell me again?
So this is the line.
Kaya naman tako, nakambuto tutorial log in namita yan. May anti peluru, anti
It has to be
pecah kasyan tutorial. Kaya naman tako tes itu kasyan.
so
You can't just shoot it straight away. You have to cross the line.
Ah,
But on my like second day,
baik. Rupanya rokoknya ini Surya. Rokok Surya. John.
Shit. What's going on? You already got the phone out.
Yeah.
Not 1 second. I like your hat.
Hey.
Playboy.
Okay, so John.
How are you? How's your flight? You're not feeling too tired?
Very tired because I can sleep a long day, a long night.
Yeah.
Well, this is Mr. John. Why?
And you're back on the job already.
Yeah.
No rest for the wicked. Is Sam watching, do you think?
Sam.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Hey,
also,
Sam.
Sam.
Hey, Sam.
Sam. Please watching us.
I'll message him to start watching.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go say hello to Norby.
Yeah,
Have you met
Nobi.
Norby before?
Where is Nobi?
Norby's right there.
Oh yeah, who's that? Nobi. Yeah. Hello.
Hey, Victor!
Oh, welcome back.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
Yeah. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah.
How's the trip?
Tired, so tired.
Tired,
Yeah.
Oh man, so excited, so good to see you.
Yeah, so good to see you too. Oh, very good.
Is that all the
Nobi,
family?
Nobi.
Is that family?
Family, all friend in the village.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Oke. Kita sudah datang ini, tinggal Josh. Sudah ada Pedi, sudah ada John. Karena Sam sudah ada di New York. Oke, oke. Siapa ini namanya tadi? Oh, namanya John. So John ini yang tukang kameramen ini, yang bawa kamera besar. Ini namanya so John.
What's the jumper?
Langsung fit dingin ya, madi gitu gitu Marta. Dingin. Oke, Benny Van Lebang. Oke, mantap fit sangat TV. Go internasional, iya. Kapan juga kita jalan-jalan ke Italia ini? Om Ben. Ada rezeki kita jalan-jalan ke Italia. Ada Om Ben dari Italia sudah menonton. Betul sama ni lampit, Dai mada, oke. Dito Papua itu. Serana Sem. Lester Sonman, ya. Oke, Ben, Pak Ben, internasional ya. Sekali mengudara 2 hari menghilang. Kalau di Toraja pitu-pitu bisa nih guys. Sekarang di sini 911. Nah. Nyari tuh cewek dia Yos. Ini ceweknya Yos ini Jos. Oke, Simpson Serangga, selamat berlibur Om Pit. Oke, baik, terima kasih. Oke, Tion dari. Ada John ya. Nah, ini Chris. Ini kebenakannya Chris.
That's one
That's great job.
Welcome, brother. Say hello to everyone in Australia. Okay. Oke. Ya, John tinggal Joshua belum Om ya. Jos masih.
That was great.
Hey Chris, hey my friend from Italy. Say hello to
Hello.
friend in Australia.
How are you?
Yeah.
Orang
My
Indonesia?
brother. Yeah.
Yeah. Apa kabar?
Live in Italy.
Yeah.
His wife from Filipina.
Yeah.
And every year go to Toraja.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is my brother.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
We're
Yeah.
playing basketball.
Basket.
You met my brother, Norby.
Where's your brother? Oh, no, your
Norby.
brother.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you playing tacti?
Oke. Kanori itu bombongan Opit. Oke, pengkalian ya. Nah, so John ini namanya John ini yang fansnya Isep. Ini fansnya Isep ini. Oke, ciao Chris, apa kabar? Oke. Oke, ciao Chris, apa kabar?
Kabar baik.
Oke, kabar baik. Oh, Om Den. Oh. Di sini baru sudah jam 8. Tapi masih terang sekali. Mau di dulu, ha. Bandingin dia kayak ini tuh Italia, Pak Ben. Kalau tempat tempat dingin. Madingin PT na taba. Oke, Yustin Sambara. Oke, nanti tanggal 20 Maret anak dan suami saya ikut nonton timnas lawan Australia di Sydney. Itu orang nanti di Melbourne jam 9. Itu orang nanti dari Melbourne jam 9 ke Sydney. Oh, kami juga di Sydney nanti tanggal 5. Mau diputar juga film di Sydney. Jadi kalau ada teman-teman mau datang nonton, nah, mau diputar nanti film kita di Sydney dan di Adelaide. Jadi 3 ini tempat. Besok diputar di Melbourne, nanti tanggal 5 di Sydney, kemudian tanggal berapa lagi di Adelaide. Oke, kalau lebih dingin sampai sekarang. Wah, nah mana 19 derajat datang kota limo. Nah, motor aku na. Oke, Adi sudah ada ikut main. Nah, saya sedikit apa ini? Gara-gara tadi minum alkohol sedikit. Nah, kayak bagaimana ya?
And again, where's the defense go?
Oh.
Cross the line.
Kakana Kriste, kakana. Halo. Oke. Salam dari teman-teman. Oke. From the village for all the friend here. Oke. Ya, halo. Oke, titip kanguru Ompit. Oke, Rizal Ratu, kanguru. My friend from village want me to take kanguru.
Oh, so you kangaroo. Yeah. Some kangaroos.
Kanguru.
We can find kangaroo.
Yeah.
1 hour.
Festival stuff.
Oke,
1 hour.
masih panas di Ompit kalau 19 derajat. Madiging pa ya Domitri ko.
I did that for a couple
Alam ko na pa iya kaya makarel.
Summer down. Where
tak tempat tadi kamu pun berarti tak aku bisa taruh pada doan, aku ngerti aku tak kalah. Tinggal tak nak taruh begini ah.
That's what I was saying.
Kemudian makan deh John. Banyak makan.
Makan.
Apa makan deh?
Mami.
Mami. Ini sok pediku ini. Saya makin ganteng. You very handsome.
Thank you, Victor.
Iset, you know Iset. Iset, say hello. You remember Iset?
Of course. Hey, Seth.
Iset, yeah.
How are you?
Yeah. Tri Wulandari, Iset. Oke, MM Toraja News. Oke, jam berapa di Australia nih? Sudah jam 8 kayak ini.
What's the way? You just talk.
Ini sudah
No point like.
sudah jam 8 nama sekali kok ya. Ini pohon masih. Lo duk uang petrol lo ya. Taruh di bingki ya.
Sausage, but it's weird. I went in going scope that out. He was trying to contact me.
Oke. Wulandari. Oke, sayangku.
He's coming to Melbourne.
Wah, itu. Oh, mamanya itu Chris.
He wants to meet you.
Mamanya Chris. Ini kakak
I showed him cooking tomorrow, and he said he can't wait to meet up again with all those cohorts and collaborate.
Hari bingki ya. Sekali itu kelas ke kiri. Bang itu di Italia kah? Oh bukan, ini di Melbourne, Australia. Ini teman kita ini Om Ben itu di Italia. Nah, nanti kalau ada rezeki kita jalan-jalan ke sana. Coba Om Ben ini mau traktir ke Italia, wah luar biasa.
But listening to him speak, I just assume that whole generation, not that they were necessarily part of the same generation. But that's just how I imagine.
Ini namanya di ini Kabupaten Wellington, apa namanya ini?
Like kind of Victorian style. Like a little proper.
Wellington
What I
Road.
dislike about his business going to see him.
Wellington.
Well, yeah, it's kind of modern.
Dios, Janus. Dan lugarkan tuak kiti. Tuak. No ballo.
I think stylistically, I mean, I don't really. There's nothing much to say about something like this.
Saleh boleh bangkit dulu kita di boleh jadi harus minum alkohol baru supaya panas.
Yeah, we mean.
That'd be so good if you started at taking time.
So John, di mana where's palm wine?
Yeah, Tuak.
Yeah, Tuak.
Where's the
Where can
Tuak?
find palm wine?
Hey, Hootie.
You have to climb this tree.
Palm tree.
Yeah.
Oh, but no
I don't
Tuak.
know how to do it, so you'll have to do it.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll film you
Ya. Kita pergi Mambata.
later.
Mambata Tuak.
Tuak. But now there's no tuak.
No Tuak.
There's beer though.
Bir. Yeah.
Beer. And people with really big bottles of water.
Pambata.
Bigger than beer.
Oke, dan dulu tuan oke baik ya, oleh-oleh fit kalau balik ya nantilah kita usahakan kalau ada ji maru ale oh keren dia maru salam sama Sam oke Mama Elo oh tidak ada Sam lagi ada di ini John Sam ada di New York di Amerika sudah kerja di sana karena istrinya juga di sana. Sam sekarang sudah live in New York with family wife. Oke, tapi Pedi kurus ya. Pedi lost weight.
Slim now.
Slim.
Too much tempe.
Ya, too much tempe. Ya, karena terlalu banyak makan tempe di Toraja jadi turun berat badannya. You can eat daging. meat
Sometimes.
sometimes.
Yeah. Sometimes.
But when
Not
you
much.
not much. But when you are in
Just
Toraja,
fish. All that fish, remember?
yeah, fish.
It's like it's hardly.
Only fish.
Fish and sambal.
Sambal tempe. Still remember tempe maelo.
That's right.
Okay,
We
dulu
eat the
tadi
little fish. We
iya.
have the little fried fish.
The little fried. Wah, lure, it's lure. Sambal lure. You like sambal lure?
It's green vegetable, like what do you call it? I forget. It's like
Oh, tumis kangkung.
okay.
No. Lure and coconut.
Maybe.
Coconut.
Can't remember. I don't know what it was called, but I remember. It's like a water spinach. Something. Like a spinachy, leafy green.
And with the small fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, small fish.
Yeah. yeah. That was
Small
chocolate,
fish
right?
with the coconut.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yum. Good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And what else did we eat? We ate the bakso.
Weh, bakso. Still remember bakso?
Misayo.
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 Mm.
That was like a vegetable noodle soup.
Mm.
And gado gado.
Gado-gado. Yeah.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
And what else? Can't remember.
Yes. Dulu tapi sekarang sudah makan sedikit daging. Dulu tidak makan daging. Vegetarian, tapi sekarang sudah makan. Tadi tuh Jos masih dalam perjalanan ke sini. Ini cewek juga di sini, ceweknya Jos sini. Ceweknya Jos itu. Siapa itu yang hijau? Siapa itu?
Rose.
Rosi.
Iya, Rose.
Apanya terus?
Teman-teman ya.
Teman-teman saja. Oh, teman-teman di sini. Ini sana.
Ini anak-anak dog milk semua ini.
Oh, anak dog milk. Oh iya. Anak dog milk ini, dog milk. I remember. Who's the in the film? Who's that again? No, that man.
Fraser.
Yeah, in the film, yeah.
Fraser. He makes films.
Yeah. I seen the film.
You saw his film?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. The new one.
No, the old one when you.
Hourglass.
Yeah.
Hourglass.
Yeah, class.
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
That's right. Yeah, we showed it.
Yeah, he saw me. Yeah.
Because he's on the email.
Suruh balik ke sini makan bakso, baik. Ya, nanti kalau bulan 7 nanti, bulan 6, Chris mau ke Makassar. Nah, dan jalan-jalan gitu aja. Mungkin akan lama di Makassar. Mau tinggal di WTP.
Well, I think from what I can understand of it,
Kedinginan kau.
Iya. Nah, nanti video 3 hari baru cocok toh. Ini baru masih kaget ini beneranku ini. Masih kaget. Ya. No, sudah menyesuaikan. Sudah menyesuaikan.
But 2 days ago the weather
2-3 hari ini sudah bisa
was so
menyesuaikan.
bad. Yeah.
Ya ada 2 kali bisa kali-kali tak kayak begini. Ya. Still no. Make apa itu menyesuaikan? Apa sih menyesuaikan? Adapt my body with the.
Yeah, you need to adapt
Yeah.
to climate.
Maybe 3 days I can adapt.
I can get some more. Grab a tissue. Oh, Yompi.
Iya.
Madingin.
Madingin.
It's not that cold.
Yeah, still adapt. Still adapt.
It's making you cold. You're running around.
Maybe 2 days or 3 days I can like you.
Yeah, sudah kuat.
Ya, sudah kuat. Hmm.
My guy turns out to be a pilot. So much like
How's the family? Mama Elo.
Mama Elo, iya.
Tak de to India.
Tak ada Josh.
Josh mau datang jam berapa?
Jam 8. Sekarang sudah jam 8. Sudah jam 8. Sudah jam 8 nih. Wow. Sudah hampir gelap. Nanti gelap jam berapa? Setengah 9 gelap ya.
On Instagram, like no.
Kayak di kampung. Ini kayak suasananya. Iya, ini di belakang rumahnya jadi
Definitely like
orang di sini tuh tidak ada pakai motor. Yang pakai motor itu orang mengantar makanan saja atau apa. Jadi naik mobil semua, ada jalan kaki. Kalau di sini jalan kaki, Ki.
Aku mau beli motor.
Mau beli motor. Motor metik. Mau belajar motor di kampung. Iya. Sudah bisa motor. Nah, kalau Pedi
Pakai Vespa.
Hello.
motor,
Motorbike?
Hmm.
No. Passenger. Ride on the back.
Passenger, ya.
Hold on to Victor as he rides. Hold on to Jakob as he
Ya,
rides.
Jakob, ya.
How is Jakob?
Oh, Jakob is good, ya.
Yeah?
Good business.
The homestay? Is
Homestay,
good?
ya, still
Yeah.
homestay.
Lots of visitors? Banyak turis?
Banyak turis.
Tourism's back. It's recovered from COVID.
Setelah COVID.
Setelah COVID, ya banyak, masih banyak. Jam berapa sempit kalau di sini sudah jam 5. Di sini sudah jam 8. Sudah jam 8 ya. Tapi masih yang apa ya? Masih siang. Masih siang.
did you do bad?
Asik ke Melbourne dalam rangka apa? Oke, Justina Sambara. Ini ada film dulu nih bikin ini.
Melambi
Ini
siang.
teman-teman di sini. Nah, itu film-film yang dikumpul-kumpul dari
Mabongi.
Mabongi malam.
Ya. Sore itu sore juga, siang
Sore.
itu siang, mas siang.
Mas siang. Jadi akan diputar besok di Acme.
Apa namanya?
Si Mai. Ini kanguru. Kanguru ini. Nah, kalau mau dibawakan kanguru ini ada di sini.
You guys should sort out a SIM card tomorrow so we can stream it accurately.
Hmm.
And I'll get you a gimbal.
Ya.
I don't know if people appreciate him doing it.
Jadi Pedi katanya membelikan gimbal besok karena tidak kubawa gimbalku.
Q&A or the free?
Takut berat sekali. Nah, ternyata
People rocking up
tasku cuma
so they can all
5
tune
kilo.
in to Raja?
Oh yeah. Before
2
and
jam
after.
situ ya.
Maybe not during
Malam
the
Do you
duluan 3 jam.
do it for him during the Q&A?
3 jam
Yeah, I'd
lebih
be
awal.
Are you all going to be on stage? The three of you?
Yeah, and Bichu.
Oh, sick.
I have a bunch of friends who
Lagi
are
dulu kayak
engaged,
kuring
but
kalau
none of
dulu.
them have set any kind of date for their wedding, and I'm like, hurry up.
Well, if you
Good
guys,
Saturday, John boy.
if you guys can sort out a SIM,
Berapa lama nanti di Melbourne? 2 minggu.
Chili.
Mampir nanti pulang tanggal 13.
What were those eyes? Like,
To be fair,
you
though,
make that saute?
at that point, it's like all the way.
Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. It's really good. It's the best saute I've ever had.
Oke, main Turaya, si Kanguru.
For the upload. Thank you for everything.
Yang dipiara. Ini yang Kanguru tapi gambarnya gini.
Asked her and she said it might be a little bit late.
She was like,
I mean, who was it? Rada's phone takes fantastic photos.
she messaged.
Oh, did she unmiss it? Paddy's gonna live stream.
Oke, handshake nada mengopo iya. Entra kayak sepa deranya John.
Ketika kami berbicara setelah film,
Ya,
Paddy akan live stream.
ya live stream.
Yeah.
Ya. Setelah film.
Setelah film.
Ya. Nanti share langsung dari Pedi nanti. Kalau
Victor for the day.
saya mengompet tidak gugup nanti, mau ditanya-tanya lagi. Motor mau udah kayak guys.
Latihan dulu besok pagi.
Biasa latihan le. Iya. Aduh nanti
Go,
kalau
Opis, go.
nanti kalau saya
We have to take some photos too, Rada. We need documentation.
ya please foto.
Oh, video.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Salam sama Chris dan John. Oke, Jansen ada mau go.
Oh, Jansen.
Ya.
Wah. Apa kabar Jansen? Apa kabar Jansen?
Oke.
It's Jakob's son.
Oh, Jansen.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Oke, nanti awal Maret baru ke sana karena ada sementara urus paspor di Sorong. Oke,
Behind, not looking at.
pulang untuk itu lah. Coba dekat-dekat kita ketemu di sini. Oke, Sri nonton oke. Assalamualaikum. Ada Jacqueline. Salamat anak Jacqueline.
Oh, hello Jacqueline. How are you? Apa
Oke.
kabar Jacqueline?
Kareba na Jacqueline. Dewi Putri. Wow, oke. Halo. Dewi. Dari Topa. Oke. Pwede bang ko ginampin?
Ready to go?
Iya.
Friday.
Wah.
Shit, first thing.
Dalam cerita pa, pakai cerita di rekan ka, pakai cerita ini doh. Ini sermon.
Is that Crudy?
Ito, wag niyo cerita tayo mo. Ini anak dokmil ini, susu anjing.
Said I could stay there for the night.
Anak dokmil.
So when are you going to the next screen?
Dokmil film. Iya, istri saya tiap saya pergi ketemu.
Going on Saturday.
Pernah cuma
Out of this.
16 hari di sini. Kalau ini 2 bulan, mau 3 bulan. Ini Wahyu ini.
So it might be possible
Sudah kalau talo 2 bulan pa.
to come to the screening.
Bulan zaman dulu kampung
Fun to
na.
hang out with you guys.
Yeah, and AG and
Tapi ada. Oke, yang mana cewek na Chris? Chris. Oh. Yang mana cewek sa Chris itu ya? Ini.
Pretty great. I'm just sort of a bit,
Oke.
want to be kind of getting on the
Supaya
the band further up.
saya orang pengacara ini cewek na Chris ini. Oh.
Screening.
yeah. So we get in midday and the screenings in we're staying till the 8th, so we'll have like 3
Ini
nights.
cewek na Diyos.
And then, yeah, just like straight away.
Lagi di mana bang? Oke, Wayan. Nah, Wayan kita ini ada di Melbourne.
And then just hook it on the 6th and get on the road.
Yeah, and we'll hit the pub on that night. And then we can
Cewek ada sa Chris sa sana.
Well, I've got family with me. It's not
Oh, okay.
The mechanic told me not to.
Ano rin mo? Oh, tulo.
It's like a 3-day drive.
Yakit hindi dulu Australia ngisi bawa kami gitar.
forget
Like
how
halfway.
huge But like
Bisa
we're at the main
dicoba-coba dulu.
yeah, visiting.
Mantap pa ka.
The Blue Mountains is
Dan na di na dipuray, dilanjut.
Springwood National Park.
Oh, umur ka to.
But there's a bunch of spots, in New South Wales.
South Coast Tilba.
South Coast around Tilba.
Well, if you do that on your way back, you might I'm going to
Oke, Petronella. Petronella. Alfa
Okay,
dan
Mount-
Alfa dan
depends how I
Omega.
go.
Oke, keren. Salam sama bule. Oke.
Screening on the 17th.
Josh was telling me about it. Yeah, it's good. I'm happy with it. Josh,
Ini Ompit betul-betul kayak bermimpi bisa datang di
Yeah,
sini.
no, it's so good.
Wah,
The sound is. What date's that? That's on the 17th. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to fly back from somewhere for that if I bother. Because I still want it to be. Well, I have to be back at work on like the 25th or something. Okay. And I didn't. It's not really enough time. I wanted to have at least
nah, di sini ada sondesit.
play around with it. I want
Banyak sekali nih. Ada sondesit.
to chance if I'm not having
Ada sondesit. Ini apa lagi nih? Kreatif sekali nih orang di sini. Ini mamanya Chris. Nah. Ini anak kanguru kakek kita dulu teh dia mau tuh bawa nule bisa bayi bisa teh dong.
Well, also I'm trying to meet up with this
Jadi
guy
kayak apa
tomorrow,
teh?
but I don't know where he is. I've just got a contact for him. This lady who runs the Yowie.
Keren. Sama bule-bule. Oke ya. Kelihatan mereka orang-orang
But he's in New South Wales.
Iya.
I'm not sure where it is. I mean, that was
Semuanya
my
di sini ya.
Yeah,
was to try and meet up with him.
Nah, ini barang-barangnya di sini. Ini lagi bunga matahari. Iya.
No, I do.
Ini apa kaktus. Ini ada lilin-lilin. Ini juga ya. Apa lagi namanya ini? Kreatif sekali dia. Kayak burung. Masih banyak nih, banyak sekali. Apa lagi di sana ini? Iya, sublisip. Nah ini ikan-ikan ada frenzy, feeding frenzy. Nah, ini ada apa ini? Suso, koteng. Yeah. Ini dia sendiri mau sendiri bikin ini rumah. Bagus sekali. Oh, ini burung apa ini? Burung kasuari ini, burung apa kayaknya? Cendrawasih. Atau ayam kalkun. Nah ini biar lagi ya, kandalapuk dibikin ini, kandalapuk sama lahar.
And then I'll just have a dinner and play a what actually.
Baru itu kreasi-kreasi nih. Who's make it? Who make it? All the
All
stuff.
the metal sculptures.
Yeah, who's
She
make?
gets them from everywhere,
Oh,
from all around.
iya.
There's all sorts. All around.
Ya, ini lagi apa namanya?
Yeah, hopefully through the year I'll be the best.
No, it was actually sick. One of the things that, like, unexpected moments was people coming up to me and being like, oh, hey, cool, right?
I've got a short strip.
Inside, like, oh, fuck, you were so good at the dance competition today.
Is it a going on about that?
And I was like, this is the first time I've ever tried.
Ya, ini lagi. Belalang ada kita apa kita ini belalang apa ini? Baru kuning.
I would have been gagged.
Damn,
I
Al!
was going to try and find a
Fuck yeah! That's fresh though.
myself for like
Oh, I just
cute.
got two.
There you go, you got 2 1-stars.
2 1-stars. Oh, thanks, Al. So you should
I'm so
download
good at
this.
gambling. My tactic is to
Should guess
always.
which one of 5 is the shiny.
My tactic is to always pick like pick where it was shown
Ako, te.
originally because I feel like
Auto kapun
out
lang.
of the 5 places it could be, that's the one where it always goes.
I have that. Well, this is just all the. Oh, you guys want to see my show?
Ito well lang niya.
there's one for Abbotsford Company which I just saw.
Bisa beda. Ini ada kupu-kupu. Ada kupu-kupu. Ada toke. Apa kayak toke ini?
I definitely have heaps of 4-star shits.
You want dragons? I've got dragons coming out from Plaza.
Masih banyak sekali nih. Wih. Mana pakai ini lonceng ini ya, lonceng kayak ini.
Rapidash is beautiful. I can hear that every Friday.
Sendok.
It's really nice. Just like right across this.
My Starmie, the 2-star Starmie is my favorite.
Behind the art.
Oke. Oke. Jam pira man kate? Nah, jam 8 ulit tuh.
I guess it's just the coloring.
It's nice. It's turning me off.
When he said that on that podcast,
She sounds like a
This is my favorite Starmie.
he's like, "Sounds like a waste of money."
I think you're safe to
Where's my sword?
Recently burned like something $100.
Oke lah teman-teman, terima kasih. Nanti lagi kita sambung kalau ada kesempatan. Udah pakai teknik ini.
Selling videos.
And I thought it's already like so I put it on the counter by accident. It just like fell, and then 30 seconds later, there's a stamp. No, she's fine. She's fine.
Because she shut you up.
I'm gonna call the property manager and see how it goes, and then quote me the contract. So then they run to go. My bond.
Oke, beda 2 jam di Sarkelenda tuh beda 2 jam di Jayapura. Oh iya. Kalau di Makassar beda 3 jam.
People are using really I like the selling.
Mawangi mo. Nabuting mo siya apa ya? Iya, ini tak karu amulen tuh ya. Mau siya apa ya? 1 Maret na malilin teh. 8:30 katanya baru mau kelap. 3:09 nam siya apa ya? Satu pergi mama.
I can see your eyes already. You should do this. It's free. You just do it 3 times a day.
You just do it 3 times a day.
And then if you're Josh, it's that.
Weh, sojo Oke, brother, my brother Johnson. Oke, ini mamanya Chris ini.
Charging his bike.
Okay,
let's get him.
That sounds right.
Baru selesai Jos.
When did you get here?
Tadi.
Today?
Ya, today.
Wow.
Today Om Pit datang di Yokotamu. I come your city.
In fact, I would think that putting it in the dryer would make it more.
Pulang kerja.
Manually wash it in
Back from work.
Did you meet Phoebe?
Yeah. Your
My wife.
your wife. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. This is Obi.
Hello.
Halo. Ini kakaknya Chris. Ya. Ini anaknya sana. Ada 2 anaknya. Oh, ini anaknya.
See you later.
Oh, where are you
I'll see
going?
tomorrow night. I'm going out to a film.
Oh, film.
With a friend.
Oh, kalau gerakan film. Ya, lo bekerja. Ya. Oh, dari ini mamanya Chris ini masih kerja ini, masih bikin film terus. Jadi ini keluarga film ini. Semua di sini keluarga film.
I said I want to
Dia mau pergi kerja malam. Ini tim Dogmeal ini, susu anjing. Susu anjing. Hidung-hidung ki kermal ki macam. Ini atas tu hidung-hidung ki ya.
One of those little ones that you have to like put on the stove, like literally on the
Okay, mari terus sama ng Anthony Rada. Oh, hindi kalau balan dati apa? Australia. Australia.
It's when you have a lovely iron shirt.
I know, I never, not obviously.
Whenever I put on iron stuff, I can't feel like I'm.
Well, then you get in the car and put your seatbelt on. You're like, okay,
Yeah.
the whole thing. So it's a bit, yeah. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Like I'll dry my clothes, put it back in the basket from whence it came, and it'll sit in my room for like a week.
Yeah.
I'll just like wear one at a time.
Yeah.
Put it next to the basket. When it's empty, put it all back in the basket. Do it all again.
Start this year the right way.
But that's like after like 10 minutes of the day, everything becomes crumpled.
Well, not if you're, ironing, then putting on the hook.
Fraser just got that the capsule session me out.
Tell you that.
Would you like to do it?
Mana Egi?
Egi, muncul ke dulu Gi. Ada cewek di sini ya.
Oh,
Not paying attention.
like down the middle of that.
Ada cewek di sini yang Gi. Natunggu mo ko dari tadi, mampu komen lah.
But then
I have done.
do you hang up your pants or fold them?
No, I'm waiting. I just want to be super. I
I
can't
have too many pants. I hang up the ones that I wear and then there's one's folded up.
How many pairs of pants you got?
swoob at. If I get another swoob at, I kill myself.
50 pants that I
Yeah, I
wear.
feel that way about food.
It's a problem.
Do you ever throw them out? What size are they? Do you think they'd fit me?
Yeah, you can have a little look.
Now I have to use
Take a couple of
hourglasses
pairs
or
of pants off
something.
your legs.
Yeah.
Take a couple of your legs.
Yeah. Although I've got
Ya, oke. Guys, lagi
I
modal.
got hips too.
Istirahat kita. Oh, perlu tersambung.
I got
Oke.
the